pivot. We also know how to add, right, commit, push, and we do know how to undo them. So with that, let's go on to Git branch. Git branch. Yes. Yeah. So fine, Lakshmi. After some time, I will gather numbers from them. Yeah, no problems. Say this one. So Git branch. We can think Git branch like this. For example, we have a code. Let's assume this is latest code, and I want to work. I can have an isolated one for my tasks. You want to work from same code base, right? You want isolated folder. You can think of that as a folder for time being. So we have the repository, and in this repository, we have different developers working on different tasks. Let's say Hari working on something else. Hari takes this base code. On top of it, Hari will add his things. And you're working on something. You take the base code and you put your stuff on top of it. Let's say like this. My commits, your commits. Let's say there is other person. His or her commits. But we have three features here, three people working on it. And the base is again same for all three. The purpose of branch is this. We have single repository. In single repository, we can create different lines of development. Means I work in my own container, you work in a container, someone else will work in their container. It is not good to call container. It may change the meaning. I'm here, right? Container in sense your own folder, virtually your own folder. So later what happens? We integrate all of them. So that integration happens in remote typically. You push, I push my commits, you push your commits, and he or she push her or his commits. And finally, it gets integrated into the system. So we use branches daily basis. So any work you want to do, you must create a branch, you work on it. So instead of all of us making commits directly to same branch, which can cause consistent state, right? If all put everything, we can mess up. So we will create separate lines of development. Later, we review and we merge. We review, merge, we review, merge. And that's why branches are used. Which provides separate line of development, which isolates the changes from others. Right. Okay, all of you know ChatGPT. I already explained other people.
Yes, sir. We know that.
You know, right?
Yes.
And I'll spend some time on that daily.
Yes, sir.
So it can improvise your productivity.
Yeah.
Okay, spend some time. It's really cool. And it's powerful.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So what I say here is to work on any new task, a branch has to be created. To work on new task, separate branch has to be created. Yes, this should be your practice. For every task, separate branch is required. Let's start creating branches. Let me show how we work on branches and how we merge them, those things. Open terminal and go to your workspace. For me, it's desktop. And the project name is WhatsApp bot code dot for opening my file. So just a second. There is one tar file. I was doing some experiments, not on Git, on Docker. I don't need this one. So RM, yeah, not cool. That's okay. And we have tools.txt. So I'm introducing first branch command, get branch. How many branches are there? One. What is its name? Main. Main. Right. Take that. Get branch. To list local branches. I'm sorry. So get lists local branches. Yeah. Then if you want to see remote, -r, -r. Get branch -r list remote branches. Remote means origin, correct? Your GitHub server right now. Hey, notice this, guys. What is that origin/main? The convention of using origin/main is it is remote one. I mean, without origin, just main means local. Origin/main means remote. Yeah. If you want to see both remote as well as local, -a list local and remote. List remote branches, list local and remote branches. You see this, get branch -a. So main, that's a local one, and remotes/origin/main, that is remote one. This is local copy, and it is the remote copy of same branch. Yeah. Okay. So let's see how to create a branch. See this. For example, I am assigned with a task. And see what I do, please. Very important. If I'm assigned with a task, the first thing I should do is take latest code. What I have in my local is my local change, but remote may have new changes. For example, today it's Friday. Let's say Monday, I made few changes. I pushed my changes to remote. I did this on Monday. Now it is Friday. It's been 4 days, right? In 4 days, in remote, there can be lots of changes. Yes or no? There can be lots of changes, right? If I don't take latest, if I proceed with my 1 week local copy, what are the consequences? Can you think of it? Duplication won't be there. Why? Because
Your code will overwrite.
manager or leads will not assign same task to two people. So in that context, duplication is not possible. Yeah, anything else?
Entire project will be replaced. Like, your changes will reflect over
The
there in
other people's
Git.
code will be
Other people will be
going.
lost.
Okay, you're saying that if I work with my 1 week old copy, you're saying that 1 week changes will be overridden when I push. Right?
Yes. Yes.
But generally Git will not let you do that. No.
But the other people's tasks will not be coming to us. So it will be a problem.
Okay. So I want all the answers because I want all the answers. Let it be wrong. Let it be a blunder. That's fine. But I want answers from all of you. I want your involvement, basically. Right. So that's a good thought process. See, one problem would be I'm adding new commits on 1 week old. So when I push those changes, remote has latest one, but my copy is 5 days old. My commits are on 5 days old data. So some people said it will override all 5 days data. But remember, Git will not do that. Git will not blindly take your changes and override all changes in remote. No. So what Git does, Git will tell you, hey, remote has new commits. You have to pull them, integrate them, then push them. Git will, that is why we're using Git. Correct. So Git will not let such things happen, right? Git will say, boss, no, you can't push because remote has lots of new things. You take that into your local, integrate them, then push it. So the only problem will be, I have to spend time on integrating 5 days changes. Correct. I am working on 1 week old data. Now, because of that practice, now Git has, let's say, 50 new commits. I have to integrate all 50 with my local, then push it. So this can cause conflicts also. If it is causing conflicts, I should resolve them, then push them. Is it speeding up my activity or slowing down my activity? Slowing down my activity. So the other way, I take latest, even though I did my last push Monday, but Friday I got something to work with. Now, if I take the latest from my remote now, the fresh copy, and I put stuff on top of it, now the conflicts will be less or no conflicts. This will speed up my activity. So that's the reason anytime you work on new task, first take a latest copy and start working on it. So how do you take latest copy is git pull origin main. So means we are asking Git to take the origin main and integrate with local. But now I'm the only one person working on this. Obviously, changes won't be there. But real time, when you do this, you may see lots of commits getting integrated with your local. So that's why anytime you start with new work, take latest. Got it? Take latest. So how do you take latest? This is the command to take latest, followed by get branch feature one. I am creating branch feature one. Take this. This command is to create a branch. Creates feature one branch from current branch. Creates feature one branch from current branch. In my case, otherwise, in our case, what is current branch? Which is current branch here? Main. So feature branch is created from main. Remember, always branches are created from branches. Yeah, the branch is created from main, right? If you do this operation in SCM tools like SVN, right? In SVN, creating a branch is nothing but creating a folder. If your source code management tool has, let's say, 5 GB of data, which contains your files, history, everything I'm talking about, 5 GB of data, and you create a branch also will be 5 GB. And if I create a branch, for me also it will be 5 GB. Someone else creates a branch, it will be 5 GB. So every branch we create, it is complete copy of that code. But in Git, right, it is not the case. So in Git, it won't create a folder. It manages everything virtually using pointers. See, if you have a repository like this, C1, C2, C3, C4, for example, and main is current branch and only one branch. Now, this is a current repository. Let's assume I am creating a branch on this. It will be a pointer with name. So is it creating a duplicate copy? No, it's not creating a duplicate copy. It is just adding a pointer. It's just adding a pointer. Now, there are 4 commits in this repository, 2 branches. One is main, other one is feature. Both are having same data. Now I want to add commits to feature one. Let's say I switch to feature one. Right now I am still in main only. I should switch to feature one. After switching to feature one, I start adding commits. Let's say CA, CB, CC, something like that. And the flow will be like this. Plus pointer keeps moving with latest commit. It will be like this. Feature one has 4 plus 3, 7 commits. Main has only 4 commits. 4 commits. So if I switch to main, I will see only this. If I switch to feature one, I see all. So later, I should merge changes back to main. So we will have a main development line. From main development line, we create branches for tasks or bug fixes, whatever. And again, right, that goes back to main line itself. So from main line, we create branches. Ultimately, all those branches gets merged into main line back. Any questions? Okay.
So totally root branch is the main, right?
So here main is the master branch. So from main, you can create n number of branches. Fine, no
From
problem.
main.
Yes. So how I can see local branches? What is the command? Git branch. How many are there? 2. Out of 2, which branch we are in? Main. Why main? How do you say that main? Star. See this star. So star indicates what is your current branch. So where I want to make my commits feature. So what I should do for that? Switch. To switch branch, get checkout branch name. Take that. Get checkout branch name. Now, see, my terminal is more smart. I don't have to run a command to check my current branch. Then my terminal itself saying what is my current branch. But this may be supported by some terminals, may not be supported by some terminals. So I have seen Git bash long back. I still don't remember whether a Git bash shows your current branch or not. Does it show there? It shows, okay. It shows. So if that's the case, you don't have to really run a command to check the current branch. It will be displayed here itself. But the way it is showing for me is completely different for for you. So for you, it may show in a different way. See, my theme is different. Right? I'm using Mac. I'm using some plugins. So because of that, you see some fancy stuff there. But for you, it may be plain, but still information will be there. Correct. So check out to switch the branch. Get checkout feature 1. Switch to feature 1 branch. Right. Now there are 2 branches, but folder is single. Remember, there is no a separate folder. Folder is 1, branches are 2. Let's make changes now. Git Maven Jenkins. Let me add some Ansible. Ansible is easy to learn. This is my task, let's say, and where this task should go, feature 1. So get status, yeah, tools.txt is in modified state. If I want to commit that, I should say git add file name. And if I want to commit git commit -m, just Ansible. Now, which branch this commit goes? Feature 1. Feature 1. Okay. Let me split this up for it. Why? So we are in feature 1, and this line is added in feature 1. If I switch to main, see that changes are gone. So very important. So when you switch to main, it shows content in main. And when you get into feature, it shows contents in feature. So here, git checkout, I say again, feature 1, see that. Same editor, same file, same folder. So the magic is happening with, the magic is happening in the background. And who is doing that magic? Git is doing that magic. Yeah. Right. What are next steps now? Fine. This is good. What are next steps? Right. So you're done with your task. Task is tested. It is ready for integration. How you do this integration? So option 1, merge to main in the local, push it. Option 2 is this, and option 2 is what average teams follow in the industry. So git push origin, it's not main, feature. The idea is Main is our main line of development. So before anything gets into main, that code has to be reviewed. That code has to be verified. That's how we operate in real time. So again, I repeat, before anything gets into main, it has to be reviewed. So the process is there. For that, in GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, everywhere that feature is there. See, I did a push, git push origin feature 1. Go to remote. WA bot. And if you list out branches, you see main followed by feature. Ultimately, feature changes should go into main, but before moving to main, I want that code to be reviewed. For reviewing code, GitHub has pull request. We call them pull request. See, pull request is a mechanism which is used for reviewing code changes before it is integrated into your main branch. Check out feature, add some changes, stage and commit. Okay, I'm not giving, you can understand that. Let me just only have, so after that, I'm saying git push origin feature 1. So after this, what I want to explain is git pull request. It's frequently asked question. Yeah. Pull request enables the team to let others to review the code before merging. It's also, it also can be called pull request enables the team to let others to review the code before merging to the main branch. Fine. So today you have to practice creating branches, switching branches, working with pull requests. These things you have to practice. Anyways, I'll give those things end of the class. So daily you need something to practice, right? Yeah. Go to GitHub, see. You can click compare and pull request. That's also fine. Or you see a separate tab, pull requests. You can go there. You can say new pull request. See, you can either use this one, compare and pull, the pop-up you're getting everywhere, or new pull request. Both are same. So I click on compare and pull request. See this, very important. First time it could be confusing. Changes are in feature 1. And changes should go into main. Correct? Source branch is feature 1. And see this arrow mark. From feature, we want changes to go into main. And pull request has a title. This title is auto-populated with your commit message. Our commit message was Ansible. So it's getting populated with Ansible. If you wish to change this, you can, or you can leave it if it is relevant. I will leave that. And you can assign reviewers. See this one. Reviewers. This is common. So to whom you should assign, it will be told by your team members. If you're new, yes, someone should educate you on this, who should be a reviewer, correct? So when you are new joining, they will guide you for 2 weeks, 1 month about the process. And don't expect guidance on Git commands. No, that you should know. to know their process, right? Someone from that team should help you. So they will help you with that process related guidance. So you must add a reviewer, but here I'm the only user, so I can't show how to add a reviewer, but still I can just show the options. See, click on it. Let's say I want to put you as a reviewer. I will type your name here. So your name will pop up. I'll select that. And if you want to give some comment to the reviewer, you want to convey something to the reviewer, convey that here and create pull request. So after pull request is created, it is visible for everybody who has access to this repository. Let's say you all have access to this, you can see this. If you create, I can see this. I create, you can see. So likewise, it will be there. Let's say you created pull request, you added me as a reviewer. I will get one alert, an email saying you, some so-and-so person added you as a reviewer. So I get one mail, I click that link that takes me to the pull request created by that person. I can see changes made by that guy. I can review it and I could say, hey, all looks good, please merge. Or I could say, make so-and-so changes and push it back. Remember this, when you create pull request, sometimes it may look perfect and reviewer might say, close it. Otherwise, reviewer might say, no, make so-and-so changes. And again, push it to the remote. I will have a review and I will come. That can happen. Let's say reviewer says, this is good. You can go ahead and close it. What I do is merge pull request. But how reviewers will use this? See this? If I'm a reviewer, let's say, and this is created by you, I open your pull request and I can see how many commits are made. Also, I can see how many files got changed, plus it highlights the changes made. This is nice. You may have a file with 1,000 lines of code. You don't have to review 1,000 lines. No, you have to review only the changes. If it is 1 line, review 1 line. If it is 10 lines, review 10 lines. So here, see, I just added this one, right? But when it is showing us like I removed this and I added 2 lines. But no, I added only 1 line. So when I see this is a line you added, and if it is following standards, all that, I may go and say here, conversations. I'll say, hey, changes look okay. Merge and close it. This is how the communication or conversations happen on this particular pull request. So he will say comment, typo, that's okay. See, when you get a comment like this saying looks good, merge it, whoever creates pull request, only that person should merge it. So reviewer will not merge it. Okay. So once you get this pop-up or alert or mail, you can come back to this repository and open your request and say merge pull request. It is checking and confirm merge. When you click on confirm merge, changes in feature 1 is getting integrated with main. Once integration is over, you got other pop-up saying delete branch. So in Git, the practice is if it is a feature branch, after merge, it has to be deleted. But main branch should not be deleted. So only the branches used for tasks, right? Only those things has to be deleted, not the main branch. So basically you'll see 2 types of branches. One is long running branches, main is long running. Here feature is a short running branches or topic branch or feature branch. It has different names. So such things you can delete. So all these activities happened only in remote, right? Not in the local. I did a push to remote and I created merge request. I sent this for review. After review, I merged it, correct? Followed by I deleted feature branch also. But these activities happened only in the remote side. So local is not still aware of these changes. So local state is different. In local, was that merged? No, not yet. Only in the remote we merged. Am I confusing you? Where did I merge this? In the remote or in the local? In the remote only. In the remote only. So if I go to my local and if I say check out main, ideally, if it is merged, I should see fourth line also. But I'm not saying that fourth line in local. Why? Local, it is not yet merged. But remote, if I go to main, do I see that fourth line? Come on, come on. See, I go to this. I am in main. I open this file. I see this one. Means it is merged. This line was not directly added to main. This line is added in feature one. Then we merged with main line. The point I'm making here is in the remote, changes are integrated with main or changes are integrated to main. In local, changes are not yet integrated to main. Yes or no? Please. Yes or no? Yes. Right. Okay. So remote, everything looks okay, but locally not yet merged. See this one. Now, assuming I'm done with all my things, remote also, I deleted feature one. I want to delete in local also. What I do in local now. So feature one changes are in main. Why I should maintain two branches containing same data, right? So obviously, get branch -d feature one. This is to delete a branch locally. Remote we deleted, but I want to do same operation in local. Hey, are you with me or you confused? You're confusing me also. So did you get this one? Yes, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not asking $1 million question. Why you're thinking so much?
No, little bit confused, Hari.
Then you must tell me that. Okay, maybe this will clarify that. Let's try this. I want to see, observe this, please. Pay attention, pay attention. I do a delete. Am I able to delete? No, not fully merged. Means what? Yes, your get is alerting you. Hey boss, you're deleting, but you didn't merge it. Correct? So if you delete a branch without merging, what happens?
We lose the data.
Your efforts are gone. Correct. So here I just a small thing, very insignificant. Correct. No matters. So think you did something you worked on something for 3 days. And with simple command, you deleted it. Meaning your 3 days efforts are gone in just matter of one command. So that's why we use get. This is one more reason why get is important. It says whether you didn't merge it, please merge it, then go and delete it. But I said in remote it is merged. So I want that to be present in my local. what I should do. Exactly. Git pull origin main. See, main, remote main is integrated. So I want to pull those things to my local main, correct? After that, you do git branch -d. Now it lets you delete. Git branch -d feature 1. Right. Right. So this is good, I think so. Creating branch, making commits, pushing, creating merge request, deleting in remote, deleting in local, and how to keep remote and local in sync. Now, to cover one more command in branch, don't take anything, just observe what I do. Now, again, I got a different task. According to our best practice, git pull. See, I did a pull just few seconds back. Assume I did 1 week back. So git pull origin main. So I have up-to-date code. So how to create branch? Git branch, different name. To check out the branch, yes. Now I want to commit changes or add changes. Okay, something I added. And other commands you are very familiar now. Git add, right? Git commit. Yeah. Right. I'm done. And I did the push as well. Git push origin feature 2. So after I did this, I got a call saying I got a call from the product owner, let's say, and he says, Hari, feature 2 is not required. Thanks for working, but it's not required. Okay. Now what should we do? Delete it. If you wish, you can have it, assuming client will come back after 1 month saying we need it. If you sense he may come back again, you can keep it in local. Let's say he says, no, we never need this. So what do you do now? You have to discard them, delete them. So now I need to delete that branch without merging. That is what I should do. So git branch delete hyphen, I'm sorry, git branch -d. What it says, cannot delete, right? I am in same branch. So I can't delete a branch staying in same branch. No. So what I should do now? Come out. So to come out of it, we have git checkout and other branches main. Now give a try. You know this, we faced this problem already. Now Git is telling, no, I can't do this because feature 2 has changes, not yet merged, but we want to delete. We know that. We know it is not merged, but still we want to delete it. So now there should be some mechanism to tell Git, hey, I don't want this. So Git branch -d. Here -d means force delete. Force delete, small d means soft delete. See that. Even though it's not merged, still I'm able to delete with force delete. Force delete a branch. Fine. Locally it's gone, but our friend is there in remote. We should take care of him, right? Locally feature 2 is deleted, but remote has that feature branch, feature 2 branch. Either go to browser and see options to delete from there, or there is a command you can use from git bash. I cover the command, see, git push -d origin we usually say git push origin to push. In this case, I am using -d, which means go to remote and delete that feature too. See, if you want to delete remote branch from command prompt, the command is this. Delete remote feature to branch. See, even if you're not getting what we are doing, you keep doing the exercises. One day you'll realize what we're doing. Right. Let me give exercises now.
And Harry, with git reset, can we go back to previous one, like futures?
It's already covered. See, it's always best way. I mean, the best thing is ask in the same context. Questions. This is fine. No hard feelings on this. Okay, just suggesting you. So if you ask questions in the same context, right? I don't have to explain that again. Means we're discussing branches. If you ask questions now, it takes less time for me to solve it. And also it becomes easy for you to understand. As after 2 days, you ask again, I have to recap everything and tell it. So do one thing, ping me personally, Pradeep. You can ping me.
Instead of I mean branches you said correctly, but I saying like even with the reset also, we can go back to previous one and we no need to delete this feature too, right? If you reset it to previous commit. That is what I'm trying.
Reset. See, reset. Okay, no, makes sense. Yeah. See, reset is to remove commit. Reset will not remove branch. Remember, will it remove branch?
Yes, got it. That's what I was just thinking whether there is any connection or not. Now understood.
Yeah, Pradeep, this is relevant question. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
So exercises, number 1. Okay. So create new branch with your college name. Don't give spaces. Keep it in one line. If it has multiple words, put hyphen in between. Check out the branch and so add college address in that. Push to remote. See, I'm not saying add, commit, no, you know now, correct? You know, to push, you know, you must stage it, you must commit it, only then you can push it. So push to remote, then create pull request. Delete remote branch. Delete local branch. That's it. See, you do this. I want to take numbers of couple of people. Rajesh, I saw your message now. You said you have a question.
Yes, sir. So, see, I'm talking in the point of a developer. Okay. What is the role of DevOps engineer here? Because all these things will be taken care by developers, right? What they are doing.
Okay.
So, are we are stepping into the picture for giving them these branches or anything like that?
Okay, I partially heard your question. See,
Yeah.
your question is what is DevOps role in this?
Yeah.
Only that or more?
No, the thing is, see, usually developers will be doing the development. When they need a branch, they will create a branch and they will push it to uh, code base and they will do all these requests, right? Push and pull requests, they will take care. Because what is the role of DevOps engineer here? Do we get a request for getting a branch like that, or how come? Because I'm not sure what is the DevOps role here.
Okay, I will tell you that. And I do need your number, Rajesh. One second.
My number, mobile number.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can put in chat window.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. See, okay. See, what is the role of DevOps engineer in this case? DevOps engineers will do automations. Will they do or will you do? Yes. You may write some scripts. You may work with Ansible, which requires making changes to YAML documents. You will work with Jenkins. There also we write some automation scripts or configuration scripts, whatever. So where do you keep them?
Okay. We keep it
But,
in.
Rajesh, yeah, you got the
Yeah,
point, right?
yeah, I got the answer.
Yeah. So if I'm Java guy, of course, I write Java code and ultimately my Java code will go into my Git repository.
Yeah,
Likewise, DevOps people also do some automations, correct?
yeah.
Do automations. And where we keep all of that Git.
Okay.
And that's why we are learning.
Yeah. But that is what my question is. I got the answer. Because developers will do their own things, right? But what is our role? That's what my doubt was. So now I got the clear picture.
Yeah. And your Kishore, can you share your number, your number as well?
Sure.
Yeah. And Chandani, you have doubt. Please go ahead. Chandani, you can speak.
Yes, sir.
Chandani, you can
Yes,
speak.
Harigaru. Here in GitBash, I am giving user configuration and email configuration. Later, it will be displaying.
No, it will display, correct? See, you do git log.
Can I share my
So it
screen?
will display. No. Let me show here. See.
In your screen, not in my screen only, sir.
Please. Let me show here. See. Git log. It's some background noise. Chandani, go ahead. It's some background noise.
Okay.
I'm hearing some background noise.
Chandani, go ahead. Okay.
It's my voice. I'm hearing some background noise from you. It's my voice. Maybe.
Harigaru, it was not sharing.
You're not able to share? You're not able to share?
Yes, Harigaru.
So, Vinay, can you connect and help? Vinay. So, Vinay, can you connect and help? Vinay. Okay. Thank you, then bye. Thank you, then bye. It looks very dangerous to listen my own voice. Thank you.